what's up and welcome back to tonight's special. Today we are going to be making dahi vade. This is another recipe for Holi that I'm making, and I'm really excited to share it with you guys because it's super simple and so creamy, so delicious when you mix it with yogurt. And my god, it's just too good. You can serve it as a side dish to your Holi celebration, or you can even just eat it as it is. Like it's that good. So let's go ahead, and the ingredients will be in the description box below with the measurements. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and let's get started with the recipe. Recipe is all done. They came out so delicious, creamy because of the yogurt, and they're fluffy and soft from inside. And also let me tell you that it is very important to whisk them for a good at least 10 minutes. If you're using a hand whisker, make sure you whisk it for a good 10 to 15 minutes. I'd use the electric one, so I did for 10 minutes, and they were nice and fluffy. And the but I would say a new trick that I learned from my husband Mayank is that you wet your hands, and then you take a little bit of the batter and then drop it on cold water, and then if it floats up, that means your batter is ready. It's nice, fluffy, airy. That is exactly what you want for before you fry it. So yeah, I showed it in the video as you guys have seen it, and I hope you try it. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and until then, bye bye.